You are not lazy. You are just being hunted by a world that profits from your distraction. Every time you pick up your phone to do something productive but end up scrolling for hours, a multi-billion-dollar algorithm wins a battle against your mind. Today, we reveal the dark psychology behind why your focus is broken, told through the brutal truths of human behavior. A mind addicted to cheap pleasures will always find hard work painful. Your brain is not broken, it is simply overwhelmed. Modern technology gives you the rewards of survival without any of the effort. When you can get a rush of dopamine in 1 second, your brain will naturally rebel against tasks that take months to build. Laziness is often nothing more than a tired mind, frozen by too many choices. When your screen floods your mind with infinite options, your nervous system experiences choice paralysis. You do not lack the strength to start. You lack the clarity to focus on just one single thing. To be everywhere is to be nowhere. Switching between apps does not make you a multitasker. It makes you a prisoner of attention residue. Your mind is still processing the last post you saw, leaving you with zero mental energy for your actual goals. The ability to suffer boredom is the ultimate superpower of the modern world. To fix your brain, you must learn to sit in silence. Just 2 minutes of absolute quiet every day can reset your dopamine levels. Disconnect from the noise, reclaim your attention, and remember, he who controls his focus controls his destiny.